QSpiders. So I joined in QSpiders. They taught me from basic levels where I can understand the coding, Java, like Java and SQLs. So my Rahul sir, the teacher who taught me, his name is Rahul sir. He guided me well, and also he covered the basic concepts and in Java. And then from in MySQL, Ajit sir taught me the MySQL. He also covered the core concepts from MySQL, and also they are giving a mock test. If you prepare well, if you study well on daily basis, what they are teaching, teaching on daily. If you study well means you definitely will be get placed in a IT company. And I got placed in Source of Private Limited, and my package is 3 LPA.